Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. Today I'm going to show you how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. In here I have two columns. I have name and payment. So one thing I want to know is how many people I made a payment to that are less than $10. That's one. And second, I want to find out is how many times I made to Nova payments that are less than $10. So in order to do that, so let's start with the first one, less than $10. Okay. So before you start any functions, any formula, you always start with the equal. So you want to say count. So as soon as you type count, you will get a list. So go down to COUNTIF and hit tab, and it says range. So what is the range you want to check? So this is my range, the payment, and select the range and hit F4 to make it absolute. So if you don't make it absolute, what happened is when you copy this over, then your cell reference will be changing. So comma. So what is the criteria? So my criteria is less than $10, right? So in quote, less than $10, close quote and close parentheses and hit enter. I see there are 6 people I made a payments to, which is less than $10. If you take a look at it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what about Noah? How many times did I make a payment to Noah which is less than $10? Noah less than $10. In here, so it's basically is two conditions, right? One condition is Noah. Second condition is less than $10. So in here we cannot use count if. So we had to use COUNTIFs with the s at the end. The reason why is COUNTIFs has multiple conditions we can put. So you can put either one condition, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to do equal COUNTIFs, hit tab. Make sure you press tab instead of enter. Enter will go to the next cell. Tab will stay in that within the cell. So first criteria. So I want first criteria is select all of these and F4 to make it absolute and less than 10. Okay, what is my second criteria? Second criteria is this cell. Make it absolute by pressing F4, comma. What is my criteria? I want to search for, oops, I moved the arrow, that's why. So I want to search for Noah. And close quote and close parentheses and hit enter. So it shows me 2. So let's say Noah, I have a Noah here. So I have a $5 Noah. Then again, if you look at the Noah here, I made a $7 to the Noah, and rest of them is over $10. So I made 2 payments to Noah, which is less than $10. So this is how you use COUNTIFs and COUNTIF. Thank you for watching.